Kumshibanta ka Rakhi ka Diamond Jubilee lani ka Dam Rupos Nam Jaka Sankardev College, ka Department Jaka Political Science, Mathematics, Statistics but Sociology, ka Lapullo ka program Pynkup Burom ha ka Khat Pratarik Mantau Banai. Yagani ka program Pynkup Burom Lapulong ban itu ka Jing Shakri but ka Jinglan Ladi ki Nong Trei Jong ka Tanat Traffic, ka Shillong Municipal Board, Kynhun Kiba Trei Meghalaya Nursing Council, bar Kynhun Kiba ha ka Trained Nurses Association of India. Hagani kasi lawan bania dan lang ikong Isawanda lalu DC ke East Khasi Hills District kum ke Kongsan. Ringkar ke dan lem uba Sylvester Nong Tenger SP ke Shillong Traffic, uba FB Khan Executive Engineer Shillong Municipal Board, ikong Lucky Warba President Meghalaya Nursing Council, ikong Ivory Khadrit President ke Trained Nurses Association of India, I Principal Barkinoy Kai Ganika College.
As part of this celebration, today is a unique initiative in which the college wishes to give back, in which the college wishes to celebrate not only itself and its journey, but in which it wishes to recognize the efforts of other stakeholders in our society who have rendered yeoman service, particularly in times of crisis. So it is with great gratitude that I come here as chief guest on this day when the college recognizes its place not just as an educational institution living in a silo, but in recognizing that we are one of many. We are living in a society wherein we all have a role to play, and various stakeholders come together to make up the daily fabric of our existence. And without the efforts of many, we would collapse. So today I am extremely thankful that the college has taken this initiative to laud and to commend the hard work and the achievements of the Shillong Traffic Police, the Shillong Municipal Board, the Meghalaya Nursing Council and the Trained Nurses Association of India. We have been able to present them with a wonderful token, and we have also heard from the representatives of these departments. Truly, I wish to say that without these departments, without these communities in the society, we would be very, very badly off indeed.